Lisa Rowberry here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the fabulous new Join special that Scentsy has to offer. I love February for so many different reasons. It's a sale month. We are gearing up to get ready for the brand new catalog, and then they throw this at us. I love this. So if you are someone who has been kind of on the fence about whether you should join Scentsy or not, now's the perfect time to join, because for the month of February, you have the option to join the Scentsy family for $49, which is amazing. Normally our kits are $99, which that alone is an amazing deal for the amount of product that you're getting in your starter kit. But then to have this option thrown at you during this month to basically get it for half off is fantastic. So I wanted to be able to share that with you. You get so much bang for your buck with either kit, because both kits are still available during this month. You can choose either the $49 kit or you can choose the $99 kit. There are two different kits. So the $49 kit, you are getting the Alabaster Warmer. I wanted to show this to you because this is a perfect little like starter warmer. It's super simple, super classic. You can totally leave it out all year. This is what it looks like when it's turned on. Just a super simple kind of amber glow. I love this. It's great, and like I said, it's classic. So that comes in the $49 kit. You're also getting a bar of vanilla bean buttercream. Who doesn't love vanilla bean buttercream, right? You are also getting you're getting one single catalog of the fall and winter catalog. You don't need an entire pack if you don't want to. Having just one to be able to share the last month that all of this is live, that's perfect. Then you're also getting an entire pack of the brand new spring and summer catalogs, which is amazing. You're also getting an entire set of the spring and summer testers, which are great so that you can have little sniff parties with your friends. You're also getting a consultant guide, a product training guide, quick start guide, spring and summer 2019 product lists, host and join brochures, print your own labels, and order forms. That's perfect. You are getting so much bang for your buck because you're getting the warmer, you're getting a bar, you're getting the essentials basically, plus you're getting a website. So if you, like I said, have been on the fence about whether or not you should join, if you have questions, definitely let me know. I'm more than happy to go over the requirements and things like that, all of the nitty-gritty details with you. Now, if you decide, well, what comes in the $99 kit? I am here to share that information with you as well. So it's basically double the kit. So you are getting more bang for your buck, but I understand if the $99 it's a little bit hard to like wrap your brain around. The $49 kit literally gives you everything you need to really start your business. The $99 kit comes with the Etched core warmer, black raspberry vanilla Scentsy bar, sea salt and avocado Scentsy bar, vanilla bean buttercream room spray, delicious, Amazon rain washer whiffs, lemon verbena bathroom cleaner, Luna car bar, laundry bundle samples, body bundle samples, wax molds, you get a set of 2, fall and winter tester set, so you're getting the entire fall and winter tester set, plus you're getting the spring and summer transition testers, so you're getting double the kit basically of the testers. You are also getting the fall and winter pack of catalogs, so if you feel like you want to have more than just one of the fall and winter catalogs, the $99 kit does come with a full pack of them. It also comes with obviously the brand new spring and summer catalogs, an entire pack. It also comes with the consultant guide, product training guide, quick start guide, spring and summer 2019 showcase brochures, which is basically the catalog but in fewer pages. It is also spring and summer product lists, opportunity folders, invitation postcards, thank you postcards, host join brochures, print your own labels, order forms, mini zip sacks, catalog sacks, merchandise sacks, and a free gift. So you really are getting a huge bang for your buck with either kit, but there's just, this opportunity has brought so much more than I could have ever wished for. So I love to share these opportunities with you guys. I actually joined It'll be 5 years on February 11th. So super exciting. And like I said, this journey has been so much more than I could have ever thought it would be. I joined honestly just because I love the product so much. I didn't think this would become a business for me, but I love the product so much. And as I've been sharing it with my friends, sharing it with you guys, it's just become so much more. The people I've been able to meet has been amazing. They really are, it really is a Scentsy family. So I love to be able to share the opportunity. This can be something as little as just you love the product so much you're gonna buy just for yourself, or you really can turn it into a business. The choice really is up to you. So like I said, this is an amazing opportunity, so I wanted to share it with you. I love it when they do these join specials because, you know, $99 it's a lot of money. No matter what way you look at it, it's a lot of money. So when Scentsy offers these join specials to join for basically half price, I love to share it with you guys. So that is gonna be it for today. I just wanted to do a super simple video. If this is something you have been thinking about, if you have questions about becoming a Scentsy consultant, let me know. My contact information as always is down below. So I would love to have you on my team. You don't have to be local to me. We have team members from all over as well as in Canada. So you know, if you do have questions about joining, I would love to have you on our team. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.